Well, hello and welcome to Kids Corner. It's good to be with you today. And, well, hello, Becky. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. Can I hang out here with you?
Well, yeah, but you're acting a little strange. Is something going on?
I want to hang here with you.
Okay, yeah, there's something going on. What's going on, Becky? Uh-huh.
My mom asked me to clean my room, and I don't like cleaning my room, so I thought I'd come out and hang out here with you.
Oh, you're not obeying your mom. Why aren't you cleaning your room like your mom?
Because I don't like to clean my room.
Oh, you don't like to. You know, you bring up an interesting point, Becky. A lot of times we are asked to do things that we don't like. So we often ask, do I like what I'm being asked to do? Do I like going to school? Or do I like going to work? Or do I like doing chores around the house? And sometimes we just don't do it because we don't like it. But do I like is not the right question for us to be asking.
So what's the right question?
The right question is, do I love?
Well, I don't love cleaning my room, so, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not whether you love the task. It's whether, do I love the person who's asking me to do it? That's the question we should be asking. When we're asked to do things we don't like, it shouldn't be a matter of, oh, I don't want to do it because I don't like the task. It should be a matter of, I will do it because I do love the person who's asking me to do it. And the scriptures have a lot to say about this. 1 Corinthians 10:24 says that nobody should seek his own good, but the good of others.
Oh.
That's right. And Jesus said in John 15:13 that greater love has no one than this, that we lay our lives down for our friends.
So you're saying I should do the things I don't like to do because I do love the people who are asking me to do it.
That's a high five. That is absolutely right. Yes, we don't always like what we're asked to do. We're always going to be asked to do things that we don't like. But whether we like the things we're asked to do is not the issue. Whether we love the people who are asking us to do it, that is the issue. And I'm not talking about being asked to do sinful things, but if we're being asked to do things that are serving other people and blessing other people, then it's not a matter of whether we like the task, but whether we love the person. So let's live in love this week, and that is Kids Corner for today.
All right, I guess I better go home and wash and clean my room. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.